Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Yeah, man, give me the paper star second. Me wake up to the mountain cry. Birds them sing under the sky. Why now whisper through the leaves? Life ja weave. Me kneel pan sal, me feel the tone. Earth now alone. Every heartbeat from the ground, sacred sound. Me hear the river talk at night, flowing with Jah light. It tell me truth me can't ignore. We need to love more. Me see the trees reach for sun, all life one. Me chant for healing, chant for peace, make hate cease. Me see mankind lose the way, destroy what just stay. Them poison the land, the air, the sea, forget Jah decree. But still the earth forgive and give, teach how to live. She cry but still she sing again, wash away pain. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. Me plant me seed, me watch it grow, slow but sure me know. Me feel the pulse beneath me feet, Jah rhythm sweet. Me chant fi balance, chant fi love, Jah above. Every raindrop tell me so, let it flow. Me walk through field of green delight, soul feel light. Me see the rainbow bless the sky, spirit high. Earth a temple, sky the dome, we all home. Me give thanks for every day, Yahweh. Listen close, the earth still speak in the mountain peak. In the breeze, the song still true, calling you. No one, no greed can stay, earth find a way. Chant of the earth, rise and sound, circle round and round. Lift up the heart, lift up the hand, heal the land. Chant of the earth, pure and strong, correct the wrong. Every root and every stone, life well known. I and chant of the earth, echo divine, spirit align. Let the world remember she, mother of we. Ay, 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 ay. So when the night falls silent deep, earth still keep Jah voice in every grain of sand, bless this land.
Ay, ay, ay. Smoke with classic and Rasta man. Zion. Me dig inna me hand, down inna the ground. Pierce fed gas, heartbeat sound. From the soil come life again. Wash away the thing. a story told of love all. Roots are grow beneath me feet. Jah rhythm beat. Me see the chains of olden day. Them still there in a modern way. Them use the media, use the lie, fi blind the eye. But me no bow, me no yield. Jah me shield, me plant me truth in fertile land. With Jah hand, me see the youth, them searching still, fi break the system's will. Them tired of the poison talk, them ready fi walk. Roots of freedom start to spread from every dread. It rise through pain, it rise through flame. Jah reclaim. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of Svetka, deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Love forgive. Me feel the wind blow through the leaves. Through Jah weave. Them try cut down the sacred tree, but Jah decree. Each root whole, memory strong. An ancient song. Freedom no just come by word. It must be heard. It must be heard. Saya. Me see the elders gather round, feet firm on ground. Them teach the youths fi plant again. Rain after rain. Them say hold firm, don't lose faith. Freedom create, roots connect we all as one. Under the sun, under the sun. No fire can burn it down, no king, no crown. Roots of freedom live forever. Bound by Jah river, it twist and turn through every heart, never part. It's high. Roots of freedom grow and rise. Break through the lies. From the ashes come the bloom. Light up the gloom. Light up the gloom. Roots of Svetka, deep and strong. Right what gone wrong. Inna the earth Jah wisdom live. Love forgive. Love forgive. Roots of freedom, eternal flame. Call Jah name. Through the struggle, through the fight. Hold the light. Hold the light. So when me gone, me roots remain. True joy and pain. Freedom grow from seed of love.
Aye, aye, aye. One love, one people, yeah, man. Me wake the spirit from the past. Roots revival come at last. Drum and bass start for roll. Jah purify my soul. Me walk the path me ancestors trod. Each step guided by God. Me feel the pain, me feel the pride. Me carry Jah inside. Them chain can't bind the truth. Rebel fire of youth. Me chant me hymn for change. The whole world rearrange. Me say the struggle still remain, but love erase the pain. Me plant the seed for peace and growth. Me live my heart. No silver, no gold me need. Only Jah my creed. Me heart strong like lion roar. Rasta forevermore. Yeah, roots revival right. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom and chant and deed. My soul jockey. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight, guided by Jah light. Me feel the wind from Africa. Whisper say remember ya. Bloodline strong, my history clear. My ancestors here. Drum echo from the ground. Revolution sound. Me see the youths awake and proud. Me chant them loud. Them carry truth and fire. The future them inspire. The system can't blind no more. We open door. Roots revive, the time is now. Rasta take the vow. One nation, one heart, one soul. Jah make we walk. Yeah. Roots revive, arise. See the fire in our eyes. Jah wisdom ancient and deep. My soldier keep. Roots revival strong. Chant of Zion song. My spirit reborn tonight, guided by Jah light. So when the drums start play again, remember where we've been. Roots revival carry on till the morning come. Na 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 kaya and sweat kaya man. Na 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 na. Me hear the drum beat on the wine, ancient rhythm deep within, echoes of ancestors call. Rise up one and all, my spirit light, my feet strong. Jah melody keep trotting long. Them system built on lion chain, still me walk through the rain. Me carry truth like firebrand, spread it across the land. Me chant for the voiceless man. Rasta got a plan. Freedom no come easy, but Jah move steady. Me heart a rebel flame. Me chant Jah name. Me see the youth them blind by screen. Forget them root, forget them dream. But me bring back the old time sound. Make the heartbeat bound. Drum and bass unite we all. Rasta answer the call. Me no need no gun or sword. Just Jah word, me plant the seed of truth again. Watch Babylon chain break plain. Roots rebellion rise. Light up the darkened skies. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong. We chant it all night long. No more divide or fall. One love for all. Travel far to teach to you. Hold on to Jah truth. The struggle real but hope still there. In the prayer, me see the sun shine bright. My spirit ignite. No fear for the wicked tongue. The battle won. Me see the world start wake. Me feel the ground shake. Rebellion born from care, not despair. Chant on mountain top, me never stop. Jah message echo free across the sea. Me rebel with the heart of peace until it cease. Me fight with love, not rage. Jah wisdom say. Roots rebel. rebellion rise, light up the darkened skies. Love and truth combine in a Jah design. Roots rebellion strong, we chant it all night long. No more divide or fall, one love for y'all. So me chant till morning come, righteous overcome. Roots rebellion live this day, lead the way.
Ganja and Zion reggae. Oh yeah. Me rise pan morning breeze, heart at ease. Jah whisper in me ear, fear no fear. Oh, me step through valley, me stand tall. Hear Jah call, me spirits roar, me voice declare. Truth everywhere. Oh, me see the wicked build them throne pan people bone. Them rule with lies and golden chain. Spread the pain. Oh, but me no bow, me no crawl. Me hear Jah call, lion heart within me chest. Me manifest. Oh, we see the sufferer in a street, no shoes pan feet. Them cry for mercy, cry for bread. Still them chain. Oh, me share me herb, me share me song. Right the wrong, me chant for justice, chant for peace. Babylon cease, yeah. Lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong, roar feed the people, roar feed the land. By Jah hand. Oh, lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore. Oh, me walk through fire, yet me cool. Love me rule, me teach the youth, fi know them worth. Rise from earth. Oh, them call me rebel, call me wild, but Jah child, lion spirit, guide me tone. Me no alone. Oh, me hear the drums from long ago, still them flow. Ancestral power in me blood, like river flood. Oh, them chains can't hold no more. Freedom door, lion roar through storm and flame. In Jah name. Oh, me no fear no king, no crown. Them tumble down, truth like fire, can't hide. It reside. Me roar for justice, roar for love. Send message above. Every roar a secret call. Unite we all. Oh, yeah. Lion of truth, stand firm and strong. Right every wrong. Roar feed the people, roar feed the land. By Jah hand. Lion of truth, never fade. Righteous made, guard the weak, lift the poor. Forevermore. You know, lion of truth, roar again. Wash the pain, freedom make go through the plain. Break the chain.
rest me mind in Jordan. Peace again. When the world forget the way, me still pray. Oh, yeah. Lion of truth, roar. Eternal flame. All in your name.
Na 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 ganja. And Rasta man, reggae man. Me hear the river call me name. Wash away the pain and shame. Water pure flowing strong. Carry me soul along. Me walk through valley low. Still Jah love a glow. The burden heavy upon me chest. Jah give me rest, the current led me home. No man walk alone. Every drop of memory. Freedom energy. Me see the children play by shore. Laughter open every door. Me feel the healing breeze. Set me spirit at ease. No chain can hold me down. Me wear the righteous crown. Me float upon the wave of grace. Peace upon my face. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. Just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Me see the reflection clear. Truth conquer fear. Me wash my sorrow clean. New life me dream. Each ripple sing Jah song. Where we all belong. Me dive into the stream of light. Darkness lose its fight. Me feel the world renew. Just shine through. Me chant for every nation. Pure salvation. River deep and wide. Mirror the sky. Jah call me near. No more fear. River of freedom flow. Carry the love we know. From mountain high to sea. Just spirit set we free. River of freedom strong. Guide we journey long. Every heart must find Jah peace divine. Yeah. When we reach the ocean wide, rest by Jah side. River flow eternally. Set all spirits free.
Aye, aye, aye. Meditate and elevate your man. Me hear the people chant tonight. Truth shining bright. One rhythm, one soul, one way. Jah guide we every day. Me stand in the crowd so wide. Love on every side. Me feel the beat of unity. Jah melody free. Me no care about fame or name. Only the righteous flame. One voice for the nation. Pure vibration. Me see the warrior stand strong. Me hear the ancient song. From Africa to the world, freedom unfurled. Jah children spread the sound, roots profound. Each lyric plant the seed of Jah creed. One voice, one song, me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song, together we belong. Love for every man, Jah master plan. Me feel the drum beat deep
Me see the elders sway, praise Jah every day. Music heal the pain, wash away the chain. Me chant for the youth them rise, open them eyes. Each note a revolution, pure solution. Jah message carry far like a shooting star. Sing it loud, sing it clear. Jah always near. No division, no fight. One light tonight. Hey, one voice, one song. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. Me sing it all night long. Jah harmony sweet, make the soul complete. One voice, one song. Together we belong. Love for every man. Jah master plan. When the stage light fade away, Jah music stay. One voice, one song, forever bound.
Aye, aye, aye. Rastafari's in the jungle. Aye, 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 da, 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 da. Aye, 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 da, 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 da. Ah, hey, silver streams flow from the stone. Rivers sing a righteous tone. Washing scars from ancient days, carry souls in holy ways. No more thirst, the drought is gone. River chant the freedom song. Flow eternal, wide and deep. Rivers guard the truth we keep. Da 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 da. Underneath the morning sun, river blessing everyone. Cool the fire, cleanse the land. River guided by Chant. No corruption, no decay. River wash them all away. Every nation bow and see. River flow for unity. Da 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 mountains bow before its tide. River strong and sanctified. Fisherman upon the shore. Hear the water speak once more. Secrets carried to the sea. River whisper prophecy. Every current pure and bright. River flow with joy delight. Da 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 da. Through the valley, through the plain. River heal the earth from pain. Roots them drink, the flowers grow. River teach what we must know. Babylon fortress fade to sand. River claim the holy land. Voices rise, the chant is clear. River say the truth is near. Da 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 da. Generations gather round. River make the holy sound. Everlasting, strong and free. River guide eternity. No more sorrow, no more fight. River shine the morning light. Flowing forward, never end. River rise, the soul transcend. Flow, flow, mighty stream. Carry on the righteous dream. Shine, shine, crystal bright. River guide the holy light. Rivers of redemption wide and pure. Carry truth that will endure. river never still. River moved by Jah will, strong and endless, bold and free. Rivers bring the victory.
Rasta man is so high, man. Me sit beside the flowing stream. Just show me vision in a dream. Water whisper ancient song, me spirit strong. Every drop a healing prayer. Love fill the air, me close me eye, me soul align. Flowing Zion time, me walk. Long road of faith and fight. Search for truth, find light. Them tell me hope done gone, but me still hold on. Me see the tears from people's face. Them searching grace, yet the river wash them pain. Life again. Me see the children play by shore. Laugh forevermore. Them not know the chains before. Them born for soar. The river carry story deep. Secrets Jah keep. Every ripple chant his name. Eternal flame. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Me dip me hand in sacred stream. Feel Jah redeem, water cold but fire burn. Truth return, me see reflection, see me pass. Fade at last, Jah mercy deep like ocean wide. Love inside, me follow river through the plain. Through joy and pain, it led me home to holy place. Full of grace, the fish them swim, the birds them sing. Creation king, all life flow one way same. Jah name, me no fear no drought, no storm. River keep me warm, from the mountain to the sea. Jah carry me, when me weak me call his song. It make me strong. River of Zion, flow through me soul, make me heart whole. Carry me spirit to the light, wash away night. River of Zion, gentle and strong, right all wrong. Flow through the land of man, part of Jah plan. Flow don't ever end, me eternal friend. Jah truth like water clear, always near. Me rise, me bow, me give Jah praise for the endless days. River of Zion run forevermore, me heart secure. Hey.
Zion, pure and wide, carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion, make we whole. Every day, in sun or rain, River of Zion, heal again. From the mountain top it start, flow right through the people heart. No drought, no dam can hold. Zion River pure as gold. Children bathe, the elders sing. River bring Jah blessing. Day and night it never cease. Water flow with perfect peace. From age to age it always stay. River of Zion show the way. River roll eternal stream, carry forth Jah righteous stream. Life forever, love remain. River wash away the pain. Every soul can find a place. River flow with Jah grace. River of Zion, pure and wide, carry the people like holy tide. Wash the land, renew the soul. River of Zion, make we whole. From age to age it flow divine. River of Zion forever shine. From dawn to dusk, both near and far. River of Zion, who we are. River of Zion, River of Zion. River of Zion, River of Zion, River of Zion, River of Zion. River of Zion.
Aye, aye, aye. Reggae of Zion, King Yaman. Early morning dew pa me locks. Me step barefoot over river rocks. Me path narrow, but me soul wide. Me carry Jah light pon the inside. Me chant psalms from me hardcore. Rhythm guide me like never before. Each step a prayer, each breath divine. Me walk in tune, me life align. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love in Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day, yeah. Me see mountain, me see valley, me pass city
and small alley. Some try test I throw me shade, but Jah give I strength. Me never afraid. Me humble like lion. Who know empower me rise like sun. Hour by hour, me reason with trees. Me dance with breeze. Me find peace in roots melodies. Me meditate under blue sky. Question life but never ask why. Cause every leaf and drop of rain teach I something for ease the pain. Me nah compete, me nah chase clock. Time nah real pan Rasta rock. Me just move steady, slow and true. Jah carry me, me carry you. This a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me tread this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day. Trail. Them share wisdom like holy grail. Them say Rasta youth, keep your fire. Burn them lies, rise up higher. Me chant rhythm under moonlight. Stars blink like them know I fight. Me path long but me vision clear. Me know Zion soon draw near. So if you're lost, just look inside. Jah compass there, fi be your guide. No need fi fear, no need fi rush. Just feel the earth, feel Jah touch. We all depend. Sacred ride, some slow, some quick. Some try hide, but truth call I like drumming breeze. Come walk with I, come find peace. It's a sacred journey, no map fi read. Me follow intuition, not Babylon greed. Herb in a pocket, truth in a song. Me trod this road where soul belong. Me nah need riches, me nah need fame. Me only want love and Jah name. Sacred journey, Rasta man way. One love a lead me every day.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion Reggae, man. Hear the thunder shake the land. Voice of Jah, his mighty hand, echoed deep across the plain. Thunder break the wicked chain. Every mountain start to move. Thunder speak the righteous truth. Babylon tremble, kingdom fall. Thunder rise above it all. Lightning flash and rivers glow. Thunder let the whole world know. Prophet hear the holy sound. Thunder shake the solid ground. No more silence, no disguise. Thunder open blinded eyes. Every echo pure and bright. Thunder prove Jah holy might.
strong. Thunder chant the Zion song. Every strike a sacred sign. Thunder mark the will divine. Darkness scatter, night is gone. Thunder guide the morning sun. Every heart begin to see. Thunder bring the victory. Babylon try to hide away. Thunder still declare the day. Walls collapse, the towers fall. Thunder judgment reach them all. Every lie and every scheme, thunder break it like a dream. Echo loud both far and near. Thunder say the truth is here. Generations lift the hand. Thunder sweep across the land. Everlasting, bold and free. Thunder sing eternity. Voice eternal, sound so pure. Thunder truth will still endure. Glorious echo, strong and bright. Thunder shine your holy light. Boom, boom, mighty tone. Thunder never stand alone. Rise, rise, voice of flame. Thunder glorify your name. Thunder in the valley, pure and strong. Shake the earth with holy song. Never silent, never still. Thunder move by Jah will. Forever roaring, bold and free. Thunder sing the prophecy.
No. Free the people and the animals, yeah, man. Smoke arise from Zion peak. Fire speak what word can't speak. Blazing torch of holy flame. Fire call Jah mighty name. Darkness flee before the light. Mountain fire burn so bright. Every stone begin to glow. Fire teach what we must know. Shepherds stand with staff in hand. See the fire cleanse the land. Thunder roar and voices sing. Fire crown the rightful king. Babylon fortress melt away. Fire mark the righteous day. Every shadow, every lie. Fire consume beneath the sky. Pilgrims climb the sacred hill. Feel the fire, spirit fill. Heart ignite with holy song. Fire guide them all along. Eagle circle, drums resound. Fire shake the solid ground. Glorious blaze, eternal sign. Fire prove Jala divine. Even night cannot conceal. Fire of Zion strong and real. Babylon tremble, kingdoms fall. Fire of truth consume them all. Every ember, spark of grace. Fire of mercy fill the place. Glowing bright from age to age. Fire of Jah rewrite the page. Generations bow in our fire, fulfill the holy law. Everlasting flame, so pure, fire of truth will still endure. Torch eternal, shining guide, fire of Zion will not hide. Sacred flame, both strong and right, fire of Jah destroy the night. Burn, burn, holy flame, glorify Jah mighty name. Rise, rise, mountain glow, fire of Zion overflow. Fire on the mountain blazing high, light of freedom fill the sky. Never fading, never gone, fire of Zion still live on. Torch eternal, bold and free, fire declare the victory. Fire declare.
Yeah, man. Rasta man is higher, man. Sun arise, me roll up the first one. Me give thanks to Jah, me day just begun. No rush, no stress, inna me lane. Me draw the wisdom fi cool me brain. Cali green, Jamaican strain. Heal the soul, take away the pain. It's not just smoke, it's prayer in disguise. Lift me higher, open me eyes, one draw. And me soul elevate. Me no need fast life or high state. One draw, and the spirit align. Herb teach truth, deep inna me mind. One draw, and me chant and with the breeze, me heart beat like drum. One draw, and me find me peace. Herbs of wisdom, never see. Me sip me tea, straight from the leaf. No chemicals, no kind of thief. Me garden full, me vibes stay fresh. Me wrap up love in a coconut flesh. Meditation by the riverside. Me take me time, me no hide. The world can spin, but me stay firm. Me blaze and learn, me reason and discern. Me no chase sight, me live for light. Me rest when moon come rise, when bright the herb me guide. The chant me shield, me step on life like sacred field. Me chant for youth when last I'm blind. Me blaze for the stuck in a Babylon mind. Me light it up for unity, call one flame, one love rise over all. One draw and me flow through time. Me see the system and me skip the crime. One draw and me spirit sing. Me feel the joy of natural thing. One draw and me no go low. Me hold the fire when the cold wind blow. One draw, me find your way. Each breath a prayer, me light each day. Me pack me bag with just a pipe. Me roam the hills, the energy right. Me meet elders with stories for days. Them talk about love and ancient ways. Them say Rasta man must walk in light, even when the world move out of sight. Use the herb fi open the path and take each moment like sacred bath. It's not stars blaze and vibes me king. It's how you live and what you bring. Herb is fi heal, not fi waste. Me burn it slow, me take me taste. Babylon say it wrong, me say them lie, cause me see truth when me reach high. Me see the matrix and me step aside. Me trod with love and smoke me guide. One draw and me rise again. Me give thanks for the healing rain. One draw and me chant for peace. Me soul find love, me heart release. One draw and me give Jah praise. Me light shine bright in darkest days. Reggae, yeah, man. This are the chant for the people. Same blood, same sky equal. No matter color, no matter creed. Love are the only seed we need. From ghetto yard to mountainside, Jaja love we not hide. Me lift me voice for all to hear. Unity come draw near. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. Me chant for the farmer inna the field. Pray Jah bless the crop and yield. Me chant for the youth them inna the street. Pray Jah guide them every beat. Every voice come join along. Fill the air with righteous song. Chant for the people far and near. Jaja blessings always here. Even when the war drum play, me chant for peace to rule the day. Me chant for the healing of the land. Planting love with every hand. Every nation, every tongue, sing the chant from old to young. Me see the vision clear and bright. Chant for the people through the night. Me chant when the rain come down. Me chant when the sky turn brown. Me chant in the good and bad. Me chant for the joyful and the sad. No matter season, no matter time. Me chant in rhythm and in rhyme. When the sun set in a west, me chant till me soul find rest. Me chant for the prisoner behind the gate. Pray for Jah mercy before too late. Me chant for the elder, wise and kind. Me chant for the lost, fi help them find. Me chant for the mother with newborn child. Me chant for the wilderness running wild. Every word a arrow through, piercing lies with Jah light too. Chant high, chant low, like river, it must flow. Carry hope, carry peace, till all the suffering cease. From sunrise till setting sun, chant for the people one by one. When the drum beat call me name, chant for the people just the same. Chant for the people day and night. Guide them through the holy light. Babylon wall soon tumble down. Love I wear the royal crown. From valley low to mountain steep, Jaja love we always keep.
Na 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 na. Zion reggae. Deep inna the valley where the green hills meet, flow a river pure and sweet.
Jah spirit like a friend. He tell me tales of days gone by, of prophets' prayer and battle cry. Me see the children laugh and play, splashing the blessing every day. From root to branch, from leaf to vine, I'll give thanks for Zion sign. When drought come try if he crack the land, river still strong by Jah hand. Even when the sun ablaze, water keep the fire in praise. Babylon dam can't block the flow. Zion river always know it find a way through rock and sand. Spread Jah love across the land. Me fill me cup and take a sip, feel Jah blessing on me lip. It cool me mind, it calm me soul, make me spirit pure and whole. River whisper, child don't fear, Jah kingdom drawing near. Every tide a sacred beat, like Naya Bingil drum so sweet. From morning light till setting sun, river of Zion still a run.
history, a holy song. Every wave, the righteous strong. It healed the wounded, blessed the poor. River open every door. From source to sea, it never cease. River of Zion, carry peace. Me drink the water, me soul restored. River flow from Jaja Lord. No poison there, no bitter taste. River flow with love and grace. It guide the children, guide the youth. River shining with the truth. No drought can stop, no chain can bind. River bless both heart and mind. It shine like silver in the night. River glow with holy light. It call the people, call them home. River say no more to roam. It bless the elder, bless the meek. River truth is what we seek. Forever strong, forever near. River of Zion, flowing clear. When the trumpet call again, river wash away the pain. It rise eternal, never dry. River flow beneath the sky. From Zion peak to ocean wide. River carry holy guide. Love eternal, peace divine. River of Jah forever shine. Flow high, flow deep. River of Zion, blessings keep. No dam, no wall can stop the wave. River of Jah forever safe. River of Zion flowing free. Wash the people, set them free. No dry season, no divide. River of Jah, eternal tide. From mountain spring to ocean shore. River of Zion flow evermore.
Aye, aye, aye. Zion reggae, yeah, man. See the fire on the mountain rise. Blaze of truth light up the skies. No more dark, no hidden lie. Zion flame make Babylon cry. Every spark a holy sign. Every blaze a word divine. Children dance, the drum resound. Fire burn the wicked ground. From rock to stone, from peak to plain. Zion fire break the chain. Fire on the mountain burning strong. Light of Zion all night long. Flame of freedom, flame of love. Fire shine from high above. Day by day, year by year. Zion of love we pass along. Fire blaze in every song. Ancient flame forever bright. Zion fire guide the night. Flame igniting heart and hand. Burn the lies across the land. Mountain rise with light so